Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure iCloud Drive is active because sharing uses cloud copies. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Drive in Settings or System Preferences. This guarantees file sync. Then open Files on iPhone/iPad or Finder on Mac and pick the document or folder you want to share. Make sure the item shows as uploaded to iCloud, not only local. If you see a cloud icon, wait for it to finish. Once done, you're ready to initiate sharing. Now pick how you want to share. Tap the share icon in Files or right-click and choose Share on Mac, then select Add People or Share. Choose between sending to specific people or creating a link anyone with it can use. Link is faster, specific people is more secure. Next, set permissions. Allow editing if collaborators must modify the file, or set view only for read access. Also choose whether people you invite can add others, because that changes control over access. Finish by sending the invite or copying the share link using Mail, Messages, AirDrop, or Copy Link. After sending, verify access by opening the link on another device or asking a recipient to confirm they can view or edit. If someone cannot access the file, first make sure iCloud storage isn't full and both sides have internet. Then recheck the permission setting and whether the recipient is signed into their Apple ID if required. If issues persist, remove and re-add the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.